Hi, I'm Bobbi Brown, makeup artist, and I'm here with Tweezerman, and I'm gonna show you how to make up your eyes no matter what your eye shape is. Round, almond, there are different tips, and I will tell you what they are. So depending on your eye shape really makes a difference of how you put makeup on. And it's so cool that Tweezerman has figured out that people do have different eye shape, and guess what? You can get a curler and you can get a comb to work with your eye shape. Molly is almond-eyed, as am I, and so I'm using the 38. The Curl 38 has a wider opening to fit almond-shaped eyes. This curler is made to get every little lash without pinching. When curling your own lashes, the trick is to look straight ahead, get all the lashes in, and then before you clamp down, go up a little bit. And that actually will make them curl. And hold at least for 5 seconds. Okay, let go. And see, look. Excellent. So do the other eye. You did a better job than I did. Again, make sure you don't do this after mascara because the mascara could get stuck and you don't want to pull your lashes out. It really does get the lashes ready for mascara. What's also amazing is the comb that is cut also for almond eyes. So we're going to do that afterwards. Mascara is great to use after you curl because it really will hold the curl and set it. I like to do a couple coats, and this comb is amazing because it really does fit the shape of Molly's eyes and allows you to get every little lash. This comb is great for declumping your mascara and really giving your lashes a defined look. I like to comb through the mascara after every application so the lashes look really nice and defined and doesn't look clumpy. And this one cut for almond eyes makes it so easy. So what do you do if you have round eyes? Round eyes are great because round eyes, you don't really need a lot of eye makeup. Just draw a pencil on top. Never use a line all the way around or it would make your eyes really too big. Do you ever line under your eyes or mostly on top?
Mostly on top.
Mostly on top, because it really is just enough definition. So Tweezerman has a new lash curler. It's called Curl 60 and it's made for round eyes and it just makes it so easy. There's no pinching, you get all the hairs. There's also a Curl 60 lash comb. So it just works really well if you happen to be lucky enough to have round eyes and big eyes. So first, the curl, look straight ahead, always look straight ahead, get all the lashes, gently lift, hold for 5 seconds. And then when applying mascara, have your comb handy because if you are prone to clumping or you just really want perfection, after every coat you will comb your lashes. Alice has some liner on the top and a little bit of sparkle. And then look how easy by using a comb that's the right shape. See how easy it is? I think it's brilliant that Tweezerman has figured this out because it has really made curling your lashes and declumping them so much easier.